How ice cream is made. Milk is collected from cows on farm. Fresh milk is collected. The truck takes milk to the factory. Milk, cream, and sugar mix together. Vanilla flavor is mixing. Strawberry flavor is mixing. Cocoa powder is mixing. Cooling and mixing turn it into soft ice cream. Ice cream is filled into containers. Ice cream is packed and ready. The truck take ice creams to supermarket. Yummy ice cream.